listening to my daddy, DJ Joey K.
Hi, I'm DJ Joey K, and this just arrived. That's right, the PLX1000 Pioneer Turntable, the new generation. Direct drive, got it today. We're gonna do an unboxing, so let's check this out. Okay, we're gonna start the unboxing of the Pioneer Turntable, the PLX1000. Go ahead and open it up, came in today. This is just an unboxing video. First thing that comes in here, looks like the dust cover. Yeah. Comes with a dust cover. Right there. Ooh, there it is. Pioneer. Looks like you got your slip mat. Pioneer. And it looks like that's gonna be the turntable right here. So, watch the arm. Move this down. Okay, take out the cushions. There, I'll just put these on the ground. And then sometimes in these foams, like right here, looks like that's the tone arm weight. Also probably the head shell. It's right in there, so always be careful, don't throw these away, because there may be parts in there. Take this undone. And there you go. Pop this out. Okay. There she is. At least that's the turntable with the motor in that. Got the tone arm tied down for delivery purposes as it's moving, so it doesn't get damaged. All right. All right. Let's see here. Also in the box, the platter. Comes with the platter, tone arm. Instructions from Pioneer. Yeah, see, this probably maybe a power cord. Yep. Which is one thing that's nice. Techniques, the power cord was connected, some of the other turntables, but you have your power cord that you could be connected and disconnected for easy access. Got another box. RCA. Yep. RCA, left and right. Connect in the back. And they're not always connected, so that way if something goes wrong, your grounding cable. And like I mentioned earlier, you got some tape here. So the tone arm weight, your 45 adapter to play 45s. Looks like Pioneer gives you a head shell, very similar to the Techniques. And you get a weight for your head shell. Looks like 4 grams. All right, we got most of the pieces here. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this. Give it a test run, full round with it, get some practice in. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing of the Pioneer Turntable, the PLX1000. That's right, the PLX1000 from Pioneer.